Want to know what an appetite for destruction looks like? That's Edmonton. Happening right now. Avs and Oilers fans gathering outside Rogers Place in the Ice District on a beautiful evening. It's 20 degrees and sunny in the capital of Alberta. It's really lousy, unfortunately, in Denver tonight. Rain. They've canceled the ball game. So everybody's indoors at Ball Arena for a huge...
The goaltender's 40-year-old Mike Smith. His third trip to the conference final, first time in a decade. At the other end, 32-year-old Darcy Kemper in his 10th National Hockey League season.
Well, here's that play. Talk about Evan Bouchard just trying to chip it past Nazem Kadri and ends up catching the man known as RNH for the Oilers.
Puck kept alive by the Oilers. McLeod with a shot, and that's gloved by Kemper. Face off to the right of Kemper. Won by the Oilers, shot off the goalpost.
Друзья, розыгрыш Кубка Стэнли в самом разгаре, и если вы хотите подогреть интерес к просмотру хоккея и не только, то лучше всего это сделать вместе с нашими надежными и официальными партнерами из MailBet. У них на сайте вы всегда найдете широкую линию с самыми высокими коэффициентами, а используя мой промокод HOCKEY22 при регистрации, вы получите до 19,5 тысяч рублей бонусом. Переходи по ссылке в закрепленном комментарии, регистрируйся с моим промокодом HOCKEY22 и начинай выигрывать уже сегодня.
Big hit by Archibald, and then a shot by Ryan Block.
James is paying the price right now, still in discussions on the bench with the trainer.
Ball comes out to Johnson, and his shot. There's McDavid. McDavid back out for Hyman. He was knocked to his knees.
Taves with the bad pass to Johnson.
And now here comes Kane moving in. He scores! 13th of the postseason for...
And that's a terrific breakout pass right there. Ryan Nugent-Hopkins on the tape with Kane. And you want to talk about a confident player. Kane certainly is that. He buries another one.
Watch this play here by Josh Manson, right? He's here. He's got his man right here. But watch his little move here. And then he gets beat to the outside. Watch. Manson comes in, and all of a sudden, now that opens up the lane for Evander Kane to go straight.
French final. Here's Newhook. The pass across.
Out for 2 goals in Game 6 against the Blues back in round 2, and then Newhook moves this over to Cup. And you know what he does here? He gets this puck and settles it right before he shoots it. Hold, and then he gets it and he throws it right up top and beats Mike Smith. But what a play through the middle of the ice.
Into the Oilers zone. Into the slot, moving to his left for the shot was Byram, and that's handled. 2 shots apiece, 1 goal apiece. T. Compher, the goal scorers. Here's O'Connor in with a shot, and that's gloved by Smith.
Those guys probably get a little quicker when the puck's on their stick.
Here's Landeskog, stopped by Smith. He covers.
Wrapping around. Doesn't get to the net, and look at Landeskog. He sees it, and he just dives at the last second here with Nurse all over him, trying to find...
From Nichushkin, and then McKinnon nearly stripped it back. Big collision at center between McDavid and Taves.
Well, Taves just stepping up there on Connor McDavid. You saw McKinnon step into McDavid.
That neutral puck around. Landeskog. Landeskog hits the ice.
Austin Edger.
Backhanded along by Newhook. And then a long shot that's handled. Taken away by Puljujarvi.
Oh, big hit, Manson.
Taken to the boards. Kadri plays the puck. Tries to flip one from a tough angle. And then a save on the second chance. Comes over. Landeskog back out. McKinnon shot. Smith got a piece of it. Round. Manson waiting. Across for Jack Johnson. Has room. Shoots. And that's turned aside by Smith. Is Byram. Backs it up. Onto the stick of Burakovsky. Then across. And a save made.
We're in submission.
Here comes McKinnon moving in. He scores!
The quick exit out of the zone. Makar to Taves to McKinnon. Backhand, forehand, quick little shovel as Mike Smith goes with the poke check. And McKinnon softly puts it right between the legs. Too much spacing there, Jonesy.
Justin had his stick caught up in the equipment of Bouchard. The shot by.
Heads up here.
Here's Kadri. Now Rantanen shoots, and that's stopped by Smith. Down for Fogle. Now Bouchard with him. Bouchard wrist line, and that's gloved by Kemper. Draisaitl leaving it for McDavid. McDavid. Now Kulak towards the net. They score. Hyman.
And the pass, and Hyman just barely gets enough on it. And it finds the back of the net, and we got ourselves a 2-2 game.
You can see Manson's reaction out of speed to jump in and stay in.
Jones, you remember we talked about a little bit earlier.
The Avalanche come right back.
Right here. There's Val Nichushkin. Here comes Cale Makar. Is he able to get back to that blue line? Boy, oh boy.
He thought it was an offside play, and then I thought he got back, but on that goal line review we just had, he might be about 3 or 4 inches short of getting back to the blue line.
After coach's challenge for offside, it's determined that the play was onside, therefore we have a good goal.
On their first power play. This is Rantanen into the slot. Who's puck? Score! Kadri! 4-2.
Makar carrying the mail through the middle of the ice. Nazem. Kadri looks like he stays onside there, and then attack right away. Mike Smith had no idea where that second shot. It come off his body, and the Avalanche cash in on a power play, Jonesy.
Yeah, Makar slid that right under the stick of Hyman.
And now a backhand shot stopped by Kemper from Yamamoto. Big push by the Oilers. Here's McLeod. Darnell Nurse, defenseman leading the rush. Drops it back off for Fogle. Fogle in with a shot. Kemper couldn't find the puck. They score!
The rebound it's a relatively easy shot from a long way out from Fogle. Kemper makes the stop, but has no control of where the rebound goes. Right there, he pushes it through the blue paint, and you won't get an easier goal than that. McLeod pops it in the net.
Yeah, high and hard. Lack of rebound control. Have some rebounds there.
There is CC with a drive.
I think that hit him right in the mask.
Gog over to play the puck. 4-3 lead for the Avalanche. Out in front, McKinnon stopped by Smith. Now Nathan McKinnon. McKinnon drives it across. Shot, score! Rantanen, 5-3.
The Avalanche go to work in the offensive zone.
Yep, Nathan McKinnon buzzing around on the back end. The pass to Rantanen, the heavy shot just under the bar on the blocker side. Elevation, the key to that one, goes off the stick of Smith. Ever so slow.
Vander Kane, met by Taves. Nichushkin with the puck. He shoots, and that's stopped aside by Smith. Point over to the right side to Von Taves. Taves back across for a drive. They score. Comfort crossing in front.
The stop.
And they had it on the string there, didn't they? Makar now 4 assists in the game. Plenty of screens in front on multiple opportunities. Comfort gets that one in off his body. And Mike Smith was not the problem defensively for the Edmonton Oilers. This was a mercy pull.
There's McKinnon.
Landeskog has been open on his power play a couple of times.
Shot by McKinnon, blocked by Keith. Gagliano out in front. O'Connor with an opportunity, and that's smothered. Title. Just past the midway point. Curry and 2. McDavid. Backhand shot stopped by Francouz on a pass out in front for Kadri, and that's stopped by Koskinen. 9 and counting. Here comes O'Connor. O'Connor slides it across. There's 2.
This pass goes. O'Connor right in between the skate and the stick of Evan Bouchard to the right. And there's Andrew Cogliano.
Stung Cale Makar. Here comes Draisaitl. Pulls the string on McCarr. They score!
Well, turnover right there. Devon Toews can't get it out. It's kept in by Evander Kane. Draisaitl finds McDavid for the empty net. What a pass.
What a move there, too, to avoid the sliding Cale Makar. But Toews does not get the puck out. The skill level of Draisaitl.
Hyman comes away with it with Yamamoto. Hyman, nice move, and he throws a penalty. So, Draisaitl with it. McDavid out in front, saved by Francouz. Big one on Hyman. Hopkins with it. Cross-ice pass. Out for Bouchard with a drive and a save. In the second, here's Leon Draisaitl. Draisaitl in with a shot, and that's covered up by... Here's Nichushkin. Cutting wide on Barry. Nichushkin in with a shot. Koskinen in a consecutive game, lost the puck. Here comes Rantanen, gains a step on Yamamoto. That is stopped by Koskinen. Here's Keith. Back to Bouchard. Lines, fires, and that's blocked by Burakovsky. Bouchard with it again. Burakovsky still down. Here's Cassian, centering pass. Score! Derek Ryan!
And Ryan is able to, right on the inside, it looked like of the right foot. And he's going to make his way, it looks like, into the dressing room. And then the Oilers go to work at a fortunate bounce there. That puck looked like it goes off the skate of Jack Johnson, and Derek Ryan is there, and he elevates that puck, Jonesy.
Yep, good quick shot and tight there, high to the blocker side. And
the scout for McKinnon. McKinnon drops it back for Nichushkin. His shot blocked by Ceci. Out. Here's Landeskog. Across. And a save by Koskinen.
Koskinen just saved him right there.
Oh, everybody puck watching. Landeskog drew, 2 or 3 players over there, Jonesy, and then made the backhand pass, and you see your X factor in this series.
Puck sent back out for Toews. Toews with a shot, that's gloved. Puck knocked away by Lehkonen. Feeds Kadri, moving in. He geeks, and is stopped by Koskinen.
But the quick reach right here, watch Ceci, right there. Right on the stick, just kind of breaks the momentum and breaks the concentration a bit, and just not be able to elevate that puck.
Landeskog up the boards. Here comes Nichushkin. Nichushkin shot turned aside by Coggins with it once again. Now McDavid. Draisaitl taps it back. 45 seconds remaining on the power play. Here's Draisaitl across. Score! Nugent Hopkins.
Save on Nichushkin, and then the Oilers go to work. What a play here by Leon Draisaitl. McDavid, weak side, everybody puck watching. And Nugent Hopkins, all he's got to do is just raise those hands towards the crossbar. That pass cannot be that clean. Makar's either got to go down or release and not allow that clean of a play all the way over.
Cassian defended by Jack Johnson, throws in front. And the redirect, third period. 7-6 Colorado. Landeskog with it. McKinnon fires wide.
Good read.
Draisaitl back out. Ceci with a shot, and that gets blocked. Now Draisaitl with it. 8 minutes remaining. McKinnon coming in on McDavid. Back out for Landeskog. His shot turned aside by Koskinen. Avalanche with a 1-goal lead. And the Oilers again must reset. Puck picked off. Landeskog, empty net. Score!
And then the empty netter for Landeskog right in the heart of the...
The Wild one. Avalanche 8 and the Oilers 6.
Let's see if they can get to 69 goals in this series, as that's the all-time record, and that came from that series back